Is that a beautiful bird or what? It is Big Daddy Vince the Birdman watching the Baltimore Oriole and a whole plethora of other beautiful backyard birds. And can you see that? Look above there. Is that cool or what? We've got the Baltimore Oriole and the rose-breasted grosbeak in the same shot. What a cool video. It's not sunny out, but I'm getting the best picture that I possibly can. Wow, that is awesome. Now the grosbeak hopped over on the black oil sunflower feeder. I'm going to stick with the Oriole here. They usually don't stay at the feeder this long. He's kind of on the back side there. We can still kind of see his head. Okay, look at this. This is too cool. He's called over his friend. His friend is just getting ready to hop down there. This is the first time I've seen two on the feeder at the same time. There's three of them. There's a female. There is a male. Okay, here we go. This is pretty cool. Come on, you blurry. There we go. Spectacular. Wow, this is some good Oriole viewing right now. I suppose if I tried to zoom in, I'll get a big blurry mess, but what the heck? What would one of my videos be without a blur? I've got a little bit anyway. There we go, come on. It just doesn't want to cooperate here. Well, I'm not going to blow the whole video with a blur. Just back off a little bit. A lot of times you get that feeder swing and it picks up the motion, and then it goes to autofocus, messes up. I think they've all left. That was pretty cool. And one quick deal here before I end this video. We'll swing back over here, possibly, and down. And there we go. Check that out. Wow. Got Mr. Redhead feeding on some peanut butter, and we have the rose-breasted grosbeak. I've been seeing all my backyard birds today, and very seldom do I get this many on one video. So hopefully I didn't make too many big blurs for you. And on this video we got to see several of my favorite backyard birds. Pretty cool. I am having a great time watching my birds today. It's kind of rainy out there, so what a better thing to do is set up here in the garage and video some birds and share them with you on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. I always appreciate it. The bird is a word.